A vision takes shape: multi-channel access to all the services of public administration, no matter what the topic might be or where the caller is calling from. Customer friendliness is the be-all and end-all of the Service 115 system, a prototype version of which has already been realized in the laboratories of the Fraunhofer Institute FOKUS in Berlin. Whether by telephone, laptop, or the TV set, Service 115 can be accessed by a wide range of end devices, and every inquiry is automatically dealt with by modern administrative processes, or in the case of complicated inquiries, personally by individual operators. The star role is played by a technical system called the IMS IP Multimedia System in technical jargon, run over the old familiar Internet, which ensures security of communication, gives access authorization, takes care of billings, connects analog and digital worlds, integrates existing systems like call centers, and provides a seamless connection to back-office administration processes. And demand is high. For instance, you want to report that a streetlight isn't working? Then just dial 115. Your call is rooted in the Internet-based IMS system, which transforms it into digital data, validates authorization of the caller, and builds a secure connection. From now on, dialogue with the caller is managed by a voice platform, which changes voice into text and vice versa, and offers the caller the possibility of giving information. The true innovative force of this vision lies in the way it connects the world of communication with all its huge range of networks and end devices with the processes of public administration. Every inquiry forwarded to Service 115 is enriched with data stored in the central systems database before being dealt with by public administration workflows. With Service 115, processed workflows are supplemented with additional data, such as the means by which the caller wishes to receive information from the public agency, and a record of the request processing is sent out. At the same time, the administration workflow commissions repair of the streetlight. Yet another case for Service 115, young parents need extra birth certificates. The documents are requested in digital form per Multimedia Service 115, access validation, identification of the user and the user's civil status, return transmission, and specification of the inquiry. Return transmission over the same route to Service 115. The request is now enriched with information retrieved from personnel master data files, which can be stored at any number of distributed locations. Once more, this information is keyed into the administration workflow. In the meantime, the request is processed in the administration workflow and completed with confirmation of due process. In tandem with this, the document is sent by letter post. German and foreign companies are quick to recognize the advantages of Service 115, which promotes efficiency in workflows. As in the case of a building contractor who contacts www.115.de using a laptop and the web to request mapping material on a commercial zone. The functions of the IMS system ensure security of traffic between industry and public administration, while also offering further features like multi-session and multi-channel. If any questions are left unanswered, like questions about a certain application form, a parallel voice link with an administrative operator can quickly be established. Two parallel connections, in other words a multi-channel, are set up, a connection to Service 115 via laptop and a connection to the public agency via mobile phone. While Service 115 supplements the application with data from a variety of different databases, the customer is put through to an operator or call center agent. The operator or agent can access the information processed in the administrative workflow and discuss the whole process with the applicant on the phone. Once the matter has been successfully dealt with, the operator says goodbye to the caller, while at the same time, the requested documents from the administrative workflow, including a service charge billing, are sent to the applicant via Service 115. A brave new administrative world? This is the way things could look if public agencies offered their customers better services and more efficient administrative workflows. The technology to do so is available now, A demonstration scenario has already been realized in Fraunhofer Institute FOKUS with the e-government lab and the IMS playground.